How to fix PowerPoint's presenter view displaying on the wrong screen. So if you hit Start Presentation in PowerPoint and presenter view shows up on the projector screen while audience sees your private notes, I'm going to show you how to fix this. We'll swap displays on the fly, set default monitor preferences, and configure Windows display modes so your slides always land on the right screen. So first, let me show you the fastest fix if you are already mid-presentation and the screens are back to front. Start your presentation. Look at the top menu bar above your presenter view controls. Alright guys, so you'll have this interface. After that, you just go to Display Settings, and in the drop-down menu, just select Swap Presenter View and Slideshow, this one on the top. In PowerPoint, will instantly flip the screens, putting your full screen slides on the audience projector and your notes on your laptop monitor. Okay, and now let's set your default monitor preferences so PowerPoint never mixes up your screens before presentation starts. So just go up to the Slideshow tab right here. In the ribbon, look over to the far right and under the Monitors group. Open the Monitor drop-down right here and select the specific display where your full screen presentation should appear. Make sure that the checkbox for Use Presenter View is also ticked before launching your slides. So how this works is when you just launch from beginning to launch your slide. On the first main monitor, you will have your controls. So let me just go ahead and swap that. There you go. As you can see, I have controls. And on the second monitor, people will be just able to see the slide itself and not any of these controls right here. So that is it. Your presentation slides will now project on the correct screen every single time. Enjoy.